Quadratic graphs. Complete the table of the values of y equals to x squared plus x minus 2, and then fill in the tables. Then you got to draw the graph for values of x between minus 4 and 2. There are two ways to do this. One is you substitute the value of x into the equations, work out the value, and then put them in there. So do each and every one, taking in turns 0 and then minus 3. Or alternatively, you can use the table function on your calculator using the method I've explained in class. So I'm going to try to put this here so that's not so you can see it. Okay, let's start with here. So first thing you need to do is go to mode, select 3, which gives you table fx. That is the equation of your graph that you're going to draw. So that is x squared. Now to type x, you're going to go alpha x. Can you see x there? Yeah, alpha x squared, and then plus x, alpha again, x, and then take away 2. So that's the equation of fx. That's the equation of fx. Fx is x squared plus x minus 2, or y equals to x squared plus x minus 2. So press equal sign. So you press equal sign. Once you've got that, equal sign. Start value is minus 4. So put in negative 4 plus equal sign. End value is, look at that, it's 2. So end value is 2 plus equal sign. And the step is 1. So 1 equal sign. And you can see that you've got all the values. So when x is minus 4, your fx or your value of y is 10. So that's correct. When x is minus 3, your y value is 4. Let's fill that in. So your y value is equals to 4 here. So this is equals to 4. Now let's look at the calculator again. When x value is minus 2, see that? X value is minus 2, your y value is 0, which fits that. The values on the table, when x value is minus 1, your answer is minus 2 there. And your x value is 0, your fx value is minus 2. So this one here is minus 2. Minus 2. I've got one more. When x equals to 1, when x equals to 1, the y value is 0. I know that's 0. When x equals to 2, the y value is 4. Just checking. So we're good. So I need to fill in when x value is 1, y value is 0. So that goes to 0 there. So now I've got the coordinates. The next thing to do is just to draw the graph. It's really easy. I'm going to make it a bit smaller so you can see the whole thing here. So zoom, let's go 100%. That's okay, let's do this. So when x equals to minus 4, I've got 10, so minus 4 all the way up to 10. Minus 3 is 4, so minus 3 is 4 is there. And minus 2 is 0, minus 2 is 0 is that one there. Minus 1 is minus 2, and 0 is minus 2, and 1 is 0, and then 2 is 4. So you can see this is a parabola. It's a really nice curve. It's going to be quite difficult for me to sketch this accurately. You'll probably be able to do it better. I'm trying to use this pen here, make it a smaller line. Okay, you'll be able to do it using better using pencil. So that's going to go there. I'm going to go. Whoa, it's a bit off there. That's a bit off there. But you could certainly do better than this using your pencil. Okay, so let's. There you go, and that's the graph. Not great, but you get the idea. Okay, let's look at the next bit. Use your graph to find an estimate for solutions from x squared plus x minus 2 equals to 0. First of all, you need to know this is the graph of y equals to x squared plus x minus 2. You see? And you want to know when is that equals to 0. When is that equals to 0? So the way to understand this is probably best to do this. So this is when y is equals to 8. We want y equals to 0. So y equals to 8 is there. Y equals to, let's grab this. Okay. Oops. Let me try again. Y equals to 4, y equals to 3, y equals to 2, y equals to 1, y equals to 0. There you go. So when y equals to 0, y is that? So x squared plus x minus 2 is equals to 0. So what are the values of x? Minus 2 and 1. So all you need to do is just say that x equals to minus 2 or 1. That's the solution.